What the heck are fresh pins and why should I care? How do I make them? What do I do with them? I'm confused and I don't know what to do. These are messages that I get in my inbox regarding fresh pins, and today I wanted to make it clear. What are fresh pins? Why should you care? And how do you create them? First things first, I'm Heather Ferris, and I'm so happy that you're here. For the last 4 years, I have helped entrepreneurs, bloggers, podcasters, YouTubers alike drive strategic traffic to their websites and their shops using Pinterest. I'd love to help you do the same, so hit the subscribe button and I will see you on the inside. If you're not new here, or if you're just here for this training, that's okay too. Fresh pins are new versions of your old pins. Yes, it is as simple as that. They are new versions of your old pins. Pinterest has come out and said, and they've been saying this for 2 years, they want fresh pins. They want fresh content, and they don't want to see you pinning the same old thing over and over again. Now, 2 years ago, they came out and said, pin that same old pin at a maximum of once every 4 months to your relevant boards. Now they're saying, we just want fresh content. If you want to pin that pin again, that's fine, but we might not show it. That's essentially what it has come down to. So, fresh pins are new versions of your old pins, and today I'm going to show you how to create them using Canva really fast and get them into your scheduler in no time flat.
Hello. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create new fresh pins using Canva, and these are the Canva Pinterest templates that we actually create, and they are inside of our paid templates pack. So this is April's version of those templates. There's 5 new ones each month that release, and this month I'm going to show you how to customize those using one URL and creating different variations of it really fast. So first of all, I just want to mention that you can customize these completely to your branding with the simple click of a button. You just have to choose the element and actually just start changing it out, whatever color or whatever it is that you're wanting to do. All right, now that we have it switched to my branding, what I'm going to do is actually create a few different variations of this pin for one URL, and it's going to be all about my Tailwind Tribe post that I put out last week. It was a blog post and a video, so I can use that in my favor. So we're going to just start by changing out the text, how to use Tailwind Tribes to grow. And I want to change the font to be all caps. We're going to put my URL here. Okay, just insert your image that you would like to put there. And then this is a little bothersome for me. So I'm going to actually move the box up a little bit and then put the text back on it. Just to give myself some room. I don't want to shrink this text down anymore, actually. So what I'd like to do is just move the box, and that's just easier to do. So that's one pin down. We're going to put my URL here. How to use Tailwind Tribes. I'm going to make it all caps. And then over here, I'm going to go find a video element and add it onto the pin. So these are totally customizable to your needs. Change the color to my yellow, and I need to change the background just to be a little darker and make it pop. And then we'll change all these polka dots to be yellow. And the outer lying element we're going to change to be my red color, my maroonish. Watch the tutorial now. Now let's actually do free tutorial video and do a plus sign. Okay, we're actually going to duplicate this and make the plus sign, and then we're going to shrink it this way and make it bigger. Okay, done. There's the third one. Again, we're going to change the colors. I want to make this one the red, and I'm going to make my font white. I'm trying to think of my keywords off the top of my head, so that makes it a little harder. But let's do how to use Tailwind for Pinterest. And of course, we just need to move the text around just a little bit and then delete out the image. And I have images that I like to use already in a subscription that I pay for, so I usually just use those. We're going to add in the teal as the kind of accent color this time, and then we're going to change the URL. And that is the third one. And this one, maybe we want to use a lot of laptop photos, but maybe I want to use a different background because you're not going to be able to really see it anyways. Okay, so I've already used the other colors, so let's use a different one. Grow your blog traffic using Tailwind Tribes. Okay, of course you see we need to change around our font just a tidbit. Add our URL. The accent colors are actually already mine, but I want to change them to be yellow. And again, there's the fourth one. And then last but certainly not least, let's do this color. There aren't a specific number of ways to use Tailwind Tribes, but let's do to use Tailwind Tribes. Exclamation point, and then of course we need to make this font white just to make it pop. And then our URL. She's already using my color. My assistant put these together for me. So she's already using my yellow, but I don't really like that on this red color. So I'm gonna go with teal. And that is it. That is 5 ways that now you have used templates that we've pre-put together for you, whether you're signing up for our free templates or our paid templates, to really quickly create 5 fresh images for one blog post or one video, whatever it is. Now we're going to download these and really quick just upload them into my Tailwind dashboard so I have them ready to go this week when it's time to publish my pins. So they always download as a zip if you download all of them together. So we're going to go ahead and just drag them all in here. We're going to grab that URL, how to use Tailwind Tribes, come back over here inside of Tailwind. And we're going to start putting that URL in our pins that we just created. And you can see I didn't change out the image on this one. I like the image on that one. It's a girl using a phone. It resonates with the people that are using my content, the people that are looking for me, and I'm okay with it. And it's actually a free image within Canva, so it works. Okay, they are uploaded. They are in my drafts. All I have to do now is actually go back in and add a description into each one of them. and then get them scheduled. So now I have essentially 5 weeks if I wanted to send one out per week to Pinterest, where I'm sending consistent content, brand new versions of the same thing to Pinterest each and every week. So that's it. That's how you use Canva to create super fast, super fresh pins.
Ooh, okay, so we just finished creating fresh pins using Canva. I taught you how to use the templates that I've already created for you to do that. And if you would like to, of course, you can always use your own creative genius and create your own pin templates from scratch. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and link the free and the paid pin templates that we have created below. So if you'd like to grab those, you're more than welcome to go and do that now. And if you liked this week's video, I would love it if you'd share it with your friends or at least give it a thumbs up. Any little bit helps. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe. It's totally free. So that's it for this week. Again, I'm Heather, and I will see you next week.